Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this fun silver and black freehand nail design. So I already painted my nails with silver nail polish, and using my black nail striper, I'm going to draw two lines going from the side of my nails to the middle of my nails, and then I'm going to fill it in. Now if you want, you can use a nail brush with nail polish or acrylic paint. But if you watch my other freehand nail designs, I always say I like to use the nail striper because I get more control. And that's my personal preference. And I do have a little obsession with nail stripers. Don't mind me. Then using my silver nail striper, I'm going to draw some random abstract lines in the black. I never done this particular design, so I really did like how it looked all together. Then I'm going to fill in the silver, because what I'm going to do is once I fill it in, I'm going to draw in some black lines in the silver just so it looks like the black is seeping through the silver. Then using my black nail striper again, I'm just going to outline the sides of my nails, or the sides of the design more like it. And the reason why I did this is because I just saw it and I just thought it looked so plain. And adding the lines just really gave it a nice cool look to the design. And like I said earlier, I'm just going to draw in some lines in the silver. This kind of gave it like a fun nail stamp design to my nails. And like I said, you don't have to necessarily add as many lines as I did. You can add fewer lines so that it won't be overly complicated. I just wanted to show you that you can do any kind of nail design with a nail striper and it comes out really cool. Then on the sides of my nails, I'm going to add some nail dots because I'm really obsessed with nail dots. I just think it just brings a whole design together. That's my personal preference. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy to follow and recreate if you wanted to. And here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.